All right, we're back finally with another trade recap. So, first, I'm gonna tell you what's a little bit about what's going on. Um, so on Friday, I didn't take any trades because I had a surgery for my groin and stuff. So that's why I didn't take any trades on Friday or whatever. And currently my room smells like piss because I spilled a piss bottle that I've been using to go to the bathroom during the night instead of having to get up because it hurts like to walk and stuff. So that's kind of what's been going on, and it's hard. It's been hard for me to get up and move around. So I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm gonna go back to school on Thursday because tomorrow we don't have any school. But anyway, this is a trade recap from the yesterday and today since I've been staying at home. So yesterday we had this market crash, or yeah, like yesterday or not this last night, but the day before yesterday night. We had the market crash because of like this DeepSeek AI, whatever, came out and it made the video crash and kind of the whole market suffered a little bit. So there was this over in this Asian London session, it had a huge move down. So I was looking for a retrace, and during market open, we had this big leg up. So then when I had this big leg up, I right away I had marked out the equilibrium from this swing high right here to this swing high, and it tapped into equilibrium. I didn't take this trade. I feel like I should have though because the comp there was a this big fair value gap, and I maybe I should have took this trade off this doji candle, but there wasn't that many confluences, so I didn't enter off this trade. But I wasn't looking for that anyway. I was looking for another retest of these levels and for the price to go back up. So I waited for price to come and hit this order block and fair value gap range right here. This whole order block and fair value gap. And once it did, and I saw an up candle, that's where I entered, and obviously I got stopped out right away. I feel like I should have waited maybe for more of a break to the upside to give me more confirmation. And that's kind of what I did today. So that was yesterday. Today was good, but I kind of broke a rule. So anyway, okay. My bias for today is I'm thinking price is still retracing to get to these highs up here to try to make up for that big crash it did. So we had a consolidation right here. Then we had um manipulation to the downside. And once we did, I have already marked out all the Asian and London highs and lows. So we have a Asian lows, sweep it. So we did the same thing on NASDAQ. We sweep them. Then we have Asian highs up here. Boom. So the trade that I took, I was waiting for price to reverse off this liquidity grab, and I waited for a 1 minute entry off this inverse fair value gap that we got right here. This is an A plus setup, really good setup right here. And I had my stops below this level, and let me tell you about this trade. I was looking for $1,500, and this is kind of where I've been having really bad psychology. Is when I'm in a winning trade, and I just like can't wait for it to retrace for some reason. I don't know. So I exited out of the trade right here. Um, not this first one. I exited out of the trade on this down candle right here on this blue one, and then I had my stop loss literally right here, and it just stopped us out. And then it filled this imbalance and then continued to go higher. And then I entered in on another long position to try to make up for the original long position that I missed out on. And it hit. and I closed the position after like 2 seconds for like $130. It was $860 total. But if I just would have held this trade to my full TP, which was up here, it would have been 30, let me think, 30 points to 1500 in this BP. It was in this BPR range right here. That's where I originally had full TP. Oh, this would have hit full take profit and at a 1 to 2 7 RR. That's the trade that I should have waited for, except but I got scared and I closed the position that I re-entered it just after a retrace. That's kind of where like my psychology is messed up, and that's what I'm working on to fix right now. So those were the two trades I took. On the funded, um, tomorrow I could actually pass the first phase if I have a decent trade. And I don't get messed up with my psychology, but I need to really fix in because I closed that position as soon as I saw it just correct itself, and I can't be doing that. But this setup right here is an A plus setup that I like. A plus setup, perfect setup, good price action today, and that's my trade recap for the past 2 days. And hopefully I'm back here making another video tomorrow. See ya.